Welcome to Glenn Paul's Spoken English Club. No reading, no writing, and no grammar rules. Only listen and speak. Listen and speak. First we learn phrases, then we practice them. First we learn phrases, then we practice them. We follow 7 rules of learning English. Rule number 1 says, don't learn single words. Rule number 2 says, don't learn grammar rules. Rule number 3 says, learn through your ears and not through your eyes. Rule number 4 says, learn deeply, speak easily. Rule number 5 says, learn many point of view grammar stories. Rule number 6 says, learn real English, not unreal English. Rule number 7 says, many point of view stories. So now we will start with rule number 1, where we will practice phrases, the smallest group of words, the sets of phrases. Was they, were they, yes they was, no they wasn't. Was they, were they, yes they was, no they wasn't. Was they, were they, yes they was, no they wasn't. Was they, were they, yes they was, no they weren't. Was I, yes I was. Was I, no I wasn't. Were you, yes you were. Were you, no you weren't. Was he, yes he was. Was he, no he wasn't. Was she, yes she was. Was she, no she wasn't. Was it, yes it was. Was it, no it wasn't. Were we, yes we were. Were we, no we weren't. Were they, yes they were. No they weren't. Next we will practice another set of phrases. The next set of phrases. Do I have? Yes I have. Do you have? Yes you have. Does he have? Yes he has. Does she have? Yes she has. Does it have? Yes it has. Do we have? Do they have? Yes I have. Yes they have. And if the answer is no, then you say, I don't have, you don't have, he doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have, we don't have, and they don't have. If the answer is no, thank you. Now let's see